Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A53 Plus, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down in order to find proper section, and it's up to you. You can either use passwords and accounts or Google. I prefer this one, so let me tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the section for the accounts for owner. We do not have any previously added Google accounts, so let's start with adding new one. Tap on add account, choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. You can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's really up to you. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it right here. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright. Let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read something, just tap on it, and here you will have all the information, just be patient. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. If you want to learn more about the backup to the Google account, simply check our tutorial about it. And as you can see here, we've got our Google account added, and of course if you want to, you can either add another account, so you can have plenty of accounts added, or you can remove it. So simply tap on it and then tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.